and welcome back to Riotouch again. This is Barry. If you're still worried about you're not so good at teaching, so I'm supporting you with teaching resources. 3 options for you, 3 resources, U-Course, and PhD learning simulation. So first look at U-Courses. This cutie button here. And for the U-Courses, we're supporting you to upload your own teaching resources from different subjects, English, chemical, and to physics, any subjects you got preferred, and so different grades. Now let's try to use physics, grade 5. And for this, you can proceed in the quiz here, like mentioned before. What is the outside English in your opinion? To send the right answers here. I still offer you to use your phone to scan the QR code, and also invite my student Ted to scan the QR code to check if that work. And after that, we can select view the answers. Today's course is about sales and offenses. Let's check and view the answers. Well, we are doing wrong job, and so congratulations for the next time. And for next page, well, sales simply brings about life, and we can insert some links here. What is sales? Trees in the forest, fish are movers. Our basic concept of sales. We can read the page here, and we can lay it a bit smaller and put it here, and we can still scroll it over like we're using your browsers here. Here. Then another quiz. Maybe next time join us. Before that, we are supporting you to insert different file types like image, volume, and even viewer. The links you have just noticed here. If you're trying to look deeper in audience, you need to use a microscope. And after that, what do you see a digital microscope? The concept and readout is totally different. And finally, some common sales you may need to notice. And finally, comes our last part of today's regulations. So we got a quick conclusion. Open sense made of cells, linear cells, and single cells. And finally, let's check a video about it. Let's try to body up.
How do all of the different components come together to keep us alive, keep us functioning, and achieving our goals? In this video, we're going to look at the levels of organization in organisms, from smaller than cells to big.
Okay, this was just a quick view about one of our teaching resources, U-Course. We can upload this teaching material textbook into our U-Course as you like. And for second part, we'll about 3D resources. For some concept and knowledge is too abstract to understand, like too hard for the students to get a clear idea. And so we're suggesting you with 3D resources here, and simply press it and initiate efficiently. Well, look at that. Pretty complex, and it is moving. And 2 fingers doing. Yeah, let's use what about to stop it and analyze like we made annotation. So what is it? Yeah, separates. Those things about studio resources. Also, we're supporting work for you. And for the inserts, it's PhD simulations. We're getting assessed with PhD teaching resources with Riotouch. So we have different categories about the teaching resources from physics, chemical, math, and even to arts, biologic. And now let's choose one to have a closer look. There are so many different resources here, and now I use this. So it's initiating one simulations. Yes, think it won't be long. And now let's see. It's initiating, so let's close the categories here and make this what about bigger. So here's we're counting the numbers of 2 puppies and even 3 puppies. Let's make it the butterfly or even apples. This one is pretty easy. And let's try to check if there are more possibilities. Okay, let's put 1 apple, 1 butterfly, and 1 ball here. So So what about 4 echo plus 2 bool? Name your answer. And you're going to be putting a chart to make it more written. Well, to take. Simply about